Let's create a shortcut on your desktop to lock your computer. Start by doing a right click on any empty space on the desktop, then select New, and from here select Shortcut. In the box that opens, type the following. Once you've typed that in here, hit Next and give this thing a name, like Lock Screen. It always helps to spell it correctly. Click Finish, and we now have an icon on your desktop that says Lock Screen. As you can see, I've changed the lock screen to a key, makes it easier to find. Changing the default icon to something else is something we can cover in another lesson. And that's all it takes to create a shortcut on your desktop to lock your screen. Once you do this and you click on it, it locks your screen. And if it requires a password or a key code to unlock, then that's what you'll be presented with in order to unlock your screen.